Hi guys, I'm back to my edit tutorial. Flex, Kim Taeyeon just steal my wallpaper. Tap the new project. Select a video that you're going to use for your edit. Choose the ratio you want. Select the song that you would like to use for your edit. Add some beats. Go to Adjust and make the brightness 8. Find the graph for coloring. This is my coloring for my edit. I love this. Next, make the first video 1.1x speed. For the second video, make the speed into 0.9x and make it smoother. Make the second video 5.3s. Copy the second video. Next, go to Effects, Video Effects. Opening and closing. And find the Oblique Blur. Add a keyframe and adjust blur and rotate to 100. Add a keyframe again on the half of the video effects, and adjust the blur into 35. Go to Stock Videos. Go to Mask and choose a shape for the end of your edit. You can use star shape or heart shape. Add a keyframe and tap Adjust and adjust the size. Add a keyframe again and adjust the size into a smaller one. Then put the animation fade out. Put a transition white flash into the split. Put an animation, then zoom to in the second video of your edit. Next, copy the second video and overlay it. Adjust the first overlay into 0.6s. This is for ghost effect. Add a keyframe and make the blend into 50. Add a keyframe again and make the blend into 50. And zoom the overlay. Then, add the animation fade out. Copy the first overlay for the second video. You can also put a graph, ease in 1 or ease out 1, to your keyframe, but I didn't put mine. If you add ease out 1 to your keyframe, this will be the result. I remove my graph, ease out 1, cause it doesn't match with the beat. Now, I'll be adding finishing touches. Add a keyframe. Add a keyframe again and zoom in. Another keyframe and zoom out. animation zoom to in the third of the video. Just like the second one. Ta-da! Done! Thank you for watching. The result will be on the description box. And please don't forget to like subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.